says, let me get out of this cart, like, trying to jump out. He's like, Dad, what are you doing to me?
Hey, sit back, Gaby. Here. God, he's gotten big. Oh, yeah.
He's only a year old, too.
Put your feet right there. Hang on. Oh, he'll be alright.
Oh.
He don't like that at all.
No, he don't.
Really?
Oh, yeah. He doesn't feel good today, I guess. Y'all can pull him through Walmart like that, you know that, right?
Yeah. Oh, that would be great.
We took the bird into Walmart yesterday.
The what?
The bird.
Really?
Yeah. That was funny. Look what they're doing to your poor kid. You can record now. I'm tired of it.
Yeah, those are a little bit better.
It might.
Wait till I get that night crawler, that one,
There's a car coming. There's some drunk people over there. See people turning their heads. It's gonna flip them over. Just watch. Just wait for it. Oh, look at the people laughing. Who is that? Okay, I'm tired of recording.